Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an amazing card controlling technique which is very useful for card magic trick. And this technique can be used to control any playing card from the top of the deck or the center of the deck to the bottom of this deck. And this technique is popularly known as the squeeze shift, but in general terms it is actually called a shift because shift is the technique in which you actually control a playing card from any position of the deck to a certain position of the deck without disturbing the position of any other playing cards present in the deck. So without any further ado, let's learn the squeeze shift.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is an easy and a fast way to control any playing card to the bottom of the deck. So in exposed view, what it looks like is this. You put spectator selection over here and you actually squeeze it to the bottom of the deck. You actually shift that card to the bottom of the deck. Now what you're going to do for this shift is, you're going to just in-jog the card over here. So to do that in-jog, after you have placed the spectator selection over here, you're going to hold the deck just like this with your index finger curled in and these three fingers over here, and as you push the card, you're actually going to push this card from this side where you are actually holding the deck with your thumb. From this corner you're going to push your card, and as you push your card, you're also going to let these two fingers go, and as that happens, you can see that the card is actually turning this side. That is the thing that we want for this trick, because we want this corner, since we are going to control this card using this corner. So what you're going to do is you're going to press over here with these two fingers moved away from this side so that the card actually turns like this, and the rest of the part which is actually coming out from over here, you're going to use your other hand's thumb to just glide it along like this, and the card is right now is in this position. And since you are actually covering the top of the deck just like this, you are keeping your thumb here and rest of the four fingers over here, and you're just covering up the deck like this. The spectators won't know that their selection is coming out just like this. So what you're going to do at this point is, you are going to use your pinky finger to grab the card, and you're going to just pull the card down. You're going to squeeze it to the bottom of the deck just like this, and as you pull the card down, after that what you're going to do is you're going to release your hand just like this, and after that you drop the entire deck on top of it. So the spectator selection goes to the bottom of the deck using that squeeze shift done by your pinky finger. Now for the angle issues, what you're going to do is, as your spectator selects a playing card, you are going to just in-jog it over here. That we just discussed about that, right? And then what you're going to do is, as you pull this playing card very fast, you can see that the deck actually gives a jerk a little bit. Just notice, okay? If I actually control the card, you see the deck gives a jerk. So this is the position, and you can see that the deck gives a jerk, and we need to actually cover this up. So how can we cover this up? First thing is the movement, your body movement. You are going to control the card just like this, and while you are controlling, while you are actually doing the shift just like this, and at the same point of time you are actually turning this side. So while doing the shift, if you turn this side, this larger movement actually covers up the smaller movement of the deck being shaked a little bit. So that is the thing that you need to do at first, is the body movement. So while you are going to control the card, you are going to do a body movement just like this. I start off like this from the front, and then while controlling the card I move like this. So this hand, which is actually holding the deck from the top, this side of your body will be turning towards the spectator, and then you're going to again come back after controlling the card. And that is the first thing that you need to do for the control. Now the second thing is the angle. If your spectators are standing, then it's well and good. If your spectators are not standing, then you're going to just tilt your hand just like this, so that they don't see this part coming out. Since if your spectators are actually sitting in front of you, then they will be able to see that you're actually doing this from the bottom. So for that reason, you are going to tilt your hand just like this, and then you're going to move just like this, just to hide what you are actually doing. And your spectator doesn't need to know that you are actually controlling the card, because they are going to see the magic. They are not going to see the card controlling thing. Card controlling technique is actually yours. You can control the card any way you want, and it is dependent just on you. You're going to use this for magic. You're not going to tell your spectators that you're going to control their card to the bottom of the deck for the magic, because if you know that if you have to control the card to the bottom of the deck for magic, you're going to do it by any ways, and you would not want your spectators to know that. Now it can only be done while you're actually controlling the card to the bottom of the deck. But if you want to control a card to the top of the deck, then you can actually turn over the deck, and then after that, if you control any playing card, it would just go to the top of the deck. Okay, so here's the 3 of diamonds. What you're going to do is just like this. You can see a little bit of portion can be seen, because the camera angle is actually very low right now since I'm teaching you. But when I'm actually doing this in live performance, in original performance, the spectators are either standing, or if they're sitting, I'm just turning my hand more like this. So that's how you actually do this card controlling technique. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing card controlling technique called the squish shift. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @shwel_zari. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.